Hey Dog Pros, Josh from Digiwoof here, and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be going over our phone system. And so to jump right in, I am in my Clicks account here, and I'm going to go down to Settings in the lower left-hand corner. We're then going to find Phone Numbers, and this is where we can go ahead and add a phone number to our account. So in the upper right-hand corner, we're going to add phone number, and then depending on where you are, you're first going to select the country, so the US, UK, Canada, Australia, etc. You're then going to filter down to the first part of the number, and you're going to search for your area code. So I can search for a popular one being San Francisco, and I can apply. And so we can see that we don't have anything available for San Francisco. If we don't find anything available for our area code, we can filter down again and we can find something else that might be close by. So I'm going to try 510, and then we'll see that we have numbers to choose from. So you're going to want to select a number and proceed to buy. I will note that we provide a $10 a month calling and text messaging sending credit, which does account for quite a bit of texts and calls. I would say 95% of our users do not go over that $10 a month sending credit, though if you do, it would just be recharged $10 at a time. And if you have any questions about rates, please let us know by asking our chat support team. And so once we've actually gone ahead and selected a phone number, we will then want to go into the settings for it. So I'm going to go into the three dots. Edit configuration. We're going to put a number that we're going to forward calls to. This would be a personal cell phone most likely. We can pass called number as caller ID. So for example, if you're wanting your business number to show up as the caller ID, that way you'll know it's always a business call when this number is called. You can use the enable call connect feature if you're going to be recording your calls. If you're not recording your calls, this may not be necessary. And then we want an incoming timeout of typically 15 seconds. And then you can also decide who do you want this number to ring into inside of the app. And so I can go ahead and save here. Once you have a forwarding number set, you'll want to make sure that you test this number out from a different phone other than the one that you're forwarding to. And then something else we're going to want to do is go to business profile, and then we can scroll down and we see that we have call and voicemail settings. I'm going to set our timeout to the same thing that we set in the phone number settings. And then this is where I am going to want to upload my voicemail. And so you can take a quick MP3 and then upload it here. You'll want to make sure that you save your call settings. And then finally, if you're wanting to create a simple missed call text back, meaning that if someone calls your number and you don't pick up, they get a text message, you can enable that here. And this is where you would go ahead and set your message. And so that's it as far as setting up our phone number. If you're in the US, you will have to set up A2P registration in order to use our text messaging features. If you're not in the US, you can certainly skip over the next video.